Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Dodge Durango key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation on the side of the key fob casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently remove the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they snap back together securely. You should hear a click as they lock into place. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button. Your Dodge Durango key fob should now be fully operational.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.